Evergreen. Candid. New trends in GK 3. Chapter 2. Plant Kingdom. Plants are living organisms that cannot move. They make their food in natural way. Plants are on land and also in water. There are amazing diversities among plants. About 2 million varieties of plants are known so far. Let us learn about some common types of plants. Grass. So kids, this is the grass. Grass is the most common type of plant. It is a small plant with narrow leaves called blades. Algae are micro support to grow. Grapes grow on vines. Chapter 3. Mythical creatures. Mythical that many people believe, but they do not exist in reality. The world is full of stories about brave heroes, magical events, and fantastic beings. For thousands of years, humans everywhere, sometimes inspired by living animals or